Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So this Excel sheet has been converted to Google Sheet, and now you have the functionality. You can see this will be working as just like in your mobile as well. So if you double click on this cell, it will pop you up the calendar so that you can select the date. This will be used to insert the image as well. I think this one has also been added for the images. I don't know. So this is from your format, a new format. This has all been formulated and condition formatted so that it will change the color, and there is an additional option now, no comments, which you can always choose from any of these options. Similarly, I have added the same functionality over here as well. So if you will make any further changes, it will change the color accordingly. This is also functioning properly. If it's average, poor, or the end of life, this will all work. You can see this is only not showing currently properly, but once you will be taking the print of it, it will give you the proper result. Similarly, here, if you double click, it will give you the pop-up to select the calendar. All of these are also filled, and I've kept these Ys and ones so that we can see the preview on the PDF once I'll show you. Here as well, if you will enter some text on the compliance, let me add these text. So if we'll be using these texts in here, you will be seeing all the other tabs showing the same results. Okay, so this is also risk added. This is your comments, I guess. And again, if you will double click on this should show you the date. Let me show you the print preview now. You need to select the workbook here, and you will be able to see the proper formatting output sheet. Here you can see, let me show you here you can see the no comments and not applicable are also showing very properly, and not going out of the cells. So everything is in line as per agreed, and you can see the results are matching. So that is it from my side. Let me show you the end of the result. Yep. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Take care. Bye.